In this video, I am going to talk about learning design. Education is not just about teaching the what and delivery the how. It's actually about learning, that is what plus how. Otherwise, we are missing the point. Moving beyond just I can teach like this to what is the best way to help my students learning this material means thinking about your students, who they are, what they know, how they think, and ultimately how to reach them effectively so they will learn better. Recently, the concept of learning design has gained momentum in the educational space, mostly through discussion at conferences, webinars, ebooks, and more. Learning design is the framework that supports learning experiences. It refers to deliberate choice about what, when, where, and how to teach. Decisions need to be made about the content, structure, timing, pedagogical strategies, sequence of learning activities, and the type and frequency of assessment in the course, as well as the nature of technology used to support learning. Why is learning design important? In some contexts, the term instructional design may be more familiar than learning design. This terminology is often reflected in departmental and faculty job titles. Nevertheless, in general, the concept of learning design signals a shift away from focusing on the teacher and the instructional process to concentrating on the learner and the learning process. Whereas instructional design focus on systematic planning, learning design focus on pedagogically informed decision making. In other words, learning design focus more on students than teacher to make them learn more effectively. Instructional design versus learning design. To be perfectly honest, it was not much of a debate. While instruction focus on teacher, what they do and how they convey material, learning focuses on the student, what they do and how they acquire knowledge. Since learning, not simply instruction, is at the heart of the innovative work we produce every day. Whether it be designing a lesson, developing a simulation, or analyzing students' data, we immediately rebranded our service division to focus on learning design and became the Learning Design Studio. This distinction has been a force reminding us that our focus is on helping people learn, not just on delivering instructional materials. Now try this. What do you mean by learning design? Discuss its significance. What are the differences between lesson plan and learning design? What are the essentials of a good learning design? What is the importance of learning design for a teacher? What are the characteristics of a good learning design? State the important principles for the construction of a learning design. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of learning design.